Thanks very much, Papi. Thanks for inviting me in your apartment. Absolutely delighted. So, Papi is one of my main guys. He's one of my students. He's done absolutely amazing. Within few weeks of his mentorship program, he's able to secure a 2-bedroom service accommodation somewhere in the middle city center. Obviously, I'm not going to tell you the location because we don't really want you to start coming in there and investing a lot more. But it's absolutely amazing. So I'm here today talking to Papi, advising him what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, and so that we can bring the property into the condition we wanted it, so we can push it onto a service accommodation. So basically, you've done the sofas. Sofas are absolutely amazing. I really like the sofas. They are so contemporary. So what I will advise in here is a bit dark, right? Yeah. We may want to have feature walls. Maybe you can keep that grey wall and then paint this side all white, and then you bring that feel. And then we can change the light bulbs as well. Maybe we want to have daylight, and so that it would brighten up the place a bit. And I like the kitchen. I think the kitchen is absolutely amazing. So you've got the toaster there, you've got the kettle, which is really nice, and you've got your microwave there as well. Absolutely amazing, you know, absolutely good. So now let's walk into the room. Show me the rooms, and then I can give you an idea of what we need to get there. Okay. After you.
Let's go.
Okay, this is the first room. Again, amazing room. I like the room size. But if you remember, service accommodation is all about the number of people that will be living in the property. Yeah. So the first thing we need to do, that bed, we need to find an alternative. We want to have 2 twin beds here. Okay. Right? So that if 2 people come, if they're not partners or boyfriend, girlfriend, they can separate the beds. Okay. Right? And you can have 2 people sleeping at any time. And if they're partners, they can move the beds together and they could absolutely sleep together. I like the walls as well, but they're a bit dark, right? Because you can see the light is not there, right? You want your client to walk into a nice, vibrant room, so they know that it is absolutely amazing. I like the wardrobe. The wardrobe is absolutely amazing. Enough space in here. Really nice wardrobe. And I like this enough space. And then obviously, I like the electric heater there, which is really good. So what we need to do in this room, one, I would paint it, right? I'll paint the whole room, right? All white. All these goes white. And then if you want to leave this wall as a feature wall, amazing, right? It will make a huge difference because you want that feel to it, right? Yeah. And then we will have 2 twin beds here, okay? Set it up nicely, okay? Yes. I like this as well. This is absolutely amazing. That desk, no need to change it. We just need a bit of flower here and then dress it nice. And you've got the mirror there as well, okay? So show me the next room. Okay. Cool. Work here. Yeah. Okay. It's an ensuite room, which is absolutely amazing as well, to be honest. Again, I will kind of do the same thing here. You know, you want to brighten up a little bit, right? Once you brighten it up, again, keep the feature wall, right? Keep the feature wall. If you want, you can keep that wall, and then you can just do this wall here, right? So white. Yes, white. And again, the bed is amazing, but we don't need it, right? We need 2 twin beds here, so we can sleep more people. Okay, so that way you've got 2 people here, 2 people there. Okay, that is 4 people you've slept already. You'll be able to accommodate. Okay, I like the furniture here. It goes with the doors and the wardrobe. Right, and if we haven't got any desk here, it's fine, because obviously we have the sitting area there is big enough for us to have a desk there, right? And yeah, I like the oak color stuff. And then this bathroom here is a gem basically. This will be absolutely amazing because you got the shower there, you've got the toilet, and you've got the wash and basin in here as well. So I like this room. It's just to freshen up a little bit, setting up. We need to make sure the property is absolutely outstanding compared to any properties in the area. Okay, right. I like the entrance here, right? Again, it will come on this way. It will be come this way, so it will be really nice. Again, just paint it all white. All white. Because it will brighten it. It makes it feel bright. Remember when you went to my property? It's all white, right? When you enter, it's bright. right? And then it feels that welcoming thing of it going. If you want, you can keep walls like that, can be a feature wall. If you want to keep your feature wall or somewhere a feature wall, but most of it, just do it white. When you do it white also, it's easy, you don't have to cut. You can just do it all in one go. And I like the entrance, we could have some picture frames going there, frames going there. We've already got a frame there. Yeah, we already got that frame there. Maybe you want to have another frame there. Okay, and again that then brings that feel welcoming home. And most important thing, we need to have a shoe rack somewhere. Yeah? So when our client walks in, they have where to put their shoes, right? Or let's say we have some, or we can have it here, right? As long as we can open that door fully like that, yes, we can have it there. So yes, that's what we're going to do there. And what is this room?
That's for
okay, this is the utility room. Okay, again, this is very nice. You don't need to touch anything in here because nobody comes in here anyway. So you've got all the stuff you need in there. That's fine. Okay. Why we don't? We might need dryer if you're doing the laundry yourself. You want to buy washing dryer. Washing machine. They have a washing machine that could also dry your stuff. You could replace it with that one, but we only need one of them. Because obviously you would have about 3 sets of beddings for each bed. So when the client moves out, you've got fresh one ready, and then you go and wash that. You've always got one spare just to ensure, just in case something goes wrong, you will be able to replace it with that new one. So this laundry room is good. Okay. So what we got to
the last toilet here.
Yeah. Okay.
Toilet.
Right. Okay. So, and again, this is the bathroom. I like the bathroom. You know, again, you don't need to paint it, right? Because this is bathroom, okay? But you want to put some frames, you know, make it a bit lively, right? Make it a bit lively.
Something,
yeah, you can have a big face photo there, and there was a photo there. There was a frame here as well, right? It's nice, and I like the toilet. And if we want also, we could re-silicone this white, right? We could do it white so that it matches the basin. So yeah, so it's absolutely amazing. So what we're gonna do basically, Pappy, is to paint and decorate most parts of the house, right? Because we want that feel. Keep the feature walls wherever you want it. You want it to be yours, right? And obviously we need to change the beds in those. And this sofa you're talking about here, are these sofa beds? Are they sofa beds?
No, that's normal. No.
Did you buy this online?
No, I buy it on Facebook. No, online on Facebook.
Online on Facebook, okay. If I'd known before you buy them, I would have asked you to buy a sofa bed. Yes, because what we want to sleep intention would be, right? So we need to find a way to replace this sofa, right? Because we need to have a sofa that someone can pull and they can lie down on it. And then it gets to be two double bed sofa. So sofa bed. There's so many of them out there that we could use. Alternatively, if they cannot change it for you, right? We would find a room somewhere here where we could put a day bed, right? A day bed is like sofa bed, right? You can have it here, and then they can pull it and they can push it back in, right? But we need, for us to be able to make our return, we need to have minimum of 6 people in here, right? And that way we make a good return, and that we will be able to host 6, 7 or 8 people as well, because obviously some of them would be families and some of them may be able to squash in the sofa. But yeah, do you have any question in regards to what else we need to do?
No, but what do you think about the balcony?
Okay, let's have a look at the balcony. Okay. Well, I literally love the balcony, right? I really like the balcony. So what we could do, we could have summer sofas, summer chairs here, so people can literally sit down, relax, and pardon? No, it's like you've got these chairs made by Baboon.
Okay.
Yeah, you know those ones, and if you go to the range, it's cheaper, or you could go to a place called B&Q. B&Q would also help do it. Yeah, I like the outside. The outside it's amazing.
So it should be with
absolutely amazing. Yeah, with a small table. If you can have 2 or 3 of them or 4, because I think it comes in 4 sets anyways. Then you can have this small table here, and then that way then it brings that feel to it. And I like the outside as well. I like the view there. Bang in the city centre, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, so I'm really impressed, you know. So yeah, just to recap, we need to have as many frames as possible, right? We need to have sofa beds in the sitting room, right? We need to redecorate, mainly painting, bringing that light into the property. And the rooms, we need to have double beds. There's twin beds there, right, in each bedroom. And we need to bring that white in it. In the entrance, right, we need to make it white. Again, if you want to keep the feature walls, we keep the feature walls, right? I think the bathroom is fine. You just need to have some frames in there. The laundry room is fine as well. If you live nearby, if you've got a dryer or something like that, we could use that for now until we have lots of demand. Then obviously, then we can use the laundrette as well. But yeah, apart from that, we're just gonna make it really outstanding, better than any property in the area. Okay, better than any property in the area. So, let's do that, and then hopefully we'll be able to get this rented as soon as possible. We need to put it up as soon as possible. We've got literally 3 days to get it done, right? And I think we could do it because it's all white. You just have to blast it basically. Okay. Any other questions?
What do you think about the table? This table.
If we can keep the table, it's amazing table. The reason is because it saves us money, right? We don't need to buy any other table. But if the landlords want it, then we'd have to give it back. We find a smaller table, right? You can get one online for a very reasonable price.
I would think about, for example, if we can put maybe a bed sofa, just one, to get space for bed, in case we need the maximum of people.
Yeah, so what we could do, if you can ask your suppliers, if you can change that to sofa bed, brilliant, right? And we can have a day bed there, then we can sleep 8 people. Because 2 people will sleep in that sofa, and then hopefully another person or 2 people will sleep on the day bed. And day beds are very nice. During the day it becomes a sofa. At night you can pull it, and then it becomes a bed. So if this is too big, then obviously ask the landlord to take it, right? And then we can find a smaller one that would fit somewhere here. Right? You can have a smaller one here. And then you've got the kitchen. Then you can have the similar to my other SA. We had the day bed just by the kitchen here, and then obviously we then move the dining table somewhere there that it gives you enough room. It gives you well enough room, right? But yeah, I like these sofas. They are very nice, but we need something that someone will be able to use as a bed as well. Picture frame it really nice. Have flowers, you know, and brighten it up. Change the bulbs as I've already said. And I like the kitchen. The kitchen's amazing. You know, I like the color scheme going with that as well. And so I think it's nice. So yeah, so thanks very much for taking the action. So I really like that. So yeah, tell me, do you have any other question?
I don't know. Let me finish that one first.
Right.
The colors.
Okay, that's fine. No worries.
We'll see how they begin.
Okay, no problem. So thanks very much for doing this. I really appreciate what you've done, to be honest, you know. So I know, but it is you, because you're the one who done the hard work, aren't you?
Yeah.
So you're the one who did it. I told you, I taught you, and you went and implement. So it's you basically. So I think you own the commandments basically, because you're the one who action. But yeah, let's get this done as soon as possible. Put it online and start seeing bookings in our on our mobile phone. But yeah, thanks very much for listening. Yes. I really hope you enjoyed this interview and have been inspired to take action. If you are already a property investor, I hope this interview inspires you too to take your property journey to the next level. If you like this video and want to watch more property investment training for free and see my property journey, click the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post free property investment trainings every single week. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it.